How's it going? I'm Kenny Mars with Ranger Tugs and Cutwater Boats, and today we're going to be looking at our Webasto diesel heater display. So what we're going to run through is your basic startup procedure and then shutdown procedure. From the panel, what you're going to do is when starting, you're going to tap the Webasto button one time. That's going to wake up the display. You're going to press it again, and that's going to put it into heat mode. You can tell by the red indicating lights on either side that we're now in heat mode. From there, all you have to do is rotate your dial to adjust to the appropriate temp. And once you're there, hit the set button. Now you can see we're set at 70 degrees and we are in heat mode. Keep in mind, you have a 4-minute startup and a 4-minute shutdown procedure for this unit. So it's not going to just start pumping out heat right away. It's going to take a little bit to go and start running the fans and go into heat mode. It's the same process when it shuts down. It's not going to shut down all at once. Those fans are going to run for up to 4 minutes, depending on how long it's been in heat mode, before it actually cycles down all the way. One thing to note on these units, after a period of time, the display will go dim. And what you need to do is to wake it back up just like we did when we turned it on. So coming up to the display, you can see there's no lights on. There's a real faint temperature setting. So there's two ways you can wake it up. You can either rotate the dial or tap the Webasto button. So if we rotate, you can see the display lights up and we're still in heat mode. What we're gonna do now that the display is turned back on is you're just going to tap the Webasto button one time. That turns off the two red lights. That indicates to me that we are now off and not in heat mode, and the Webasto is going to run its 4-minute shutdown procedure. Once it does that, all the display lights will go off when it's fully shut down. One last tip for you guys, you might notice a maintenance cycle on the display when you get to the unit. Go ahead and just hit start. That's going to run through a 20-minute maintenance cycle on the heater. After that, you're free to use the unit as you'd like. Hope you guys found this video helpful.